Hi guys, now I'm gonna show you how to fix problems with connecting cloud services to your EPSON ET-1810 printer. I'm gonna show you how to do that using method of updating root certificates of this printer. Okay guys, so it's really easy to do. First thing you should do is just to open your web browser on your computer and input your IP address. So input your printer's IP address. If you don't know how to check it, you can watch our video about it, or of course I can give you a hint. You should press and hold network information button on your printer. Okay, cool guys. So what's the next? So enter your IP address, of course, and then you should log in to your printer using administrator login, right? So as you can see here, we have root certificate update and it's unable to click. So click administrator login, and here you should input your admin password. If you don't know how to check it, I'm gonna show you. Of course, we have separate video about it, but you can do it so easy. You can find serial number here inside of your printer. Here you have asterisk on the start and asterisk at the end of the serial number, but don't input asterisk, just input the letters and numbers between them. Okay, cool. And now we are here. So EPSON control panel, click root certificate update the root certificate to use cloud services. So click start, wait a while. So I will a little bit speed up this video, but you can check how long it takes. Oh, it was too fast. As you can see, it takes for about 5 seconds. So root certificate updates and setup complete. So click back to main, and now we can connect EPSON cloud services. That's it guys, hope this was helpful for you, hope I helped you. So leave me a like in the comment below, please. Bye, see you.